There are many news that is the cornering and airing throughout the India. But the first news came from the Haryana, where BJP has changed, replaced its chief minister. Manohar Lal Khattar resigned with his cabinet, and on the place of the in the place of the Manohar Lal Khattar, Nayab Singh Saini, who is the member of the parliament from Kurukshetra constituency in Haryana, he became the chief minister of the Haryana state. And then after, BJP also ended the all or snapped the ties with the JJP, Dushyant Chautala political party JJP, and JJP that have alliance with the BJP to form the government in Haryana. But now the independent MLA came with the Bharatiya Janata Party, and Bharatiya Janata Party snapped the ties with the JJP and Dushyant Chautala, and it's replaced the chief minister from Manohar Lal Khattar to Nayab Singh Saini. And in this way, Bharatiya Janata Party and BJP once again will go to the election for the Lok Sabha, for the Vidhan Sabha election in Haryana with the non-jot space at this place here. And in Haryana there are the 23% jats, and other the caste is that is the SC, Brahman and Banya, and these are the, and especially for the Punjabi, and these are the more than the jats here. So Bharatiya Janata Party would go solo in Haryana for the Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha election with non-jat face. It was done by the Bharatiya Janata Party. And second news came from the Tamil Nadu. In the Tamil Nadu, there is a political party that's name is the India Union Muslim League, and it is the allied with the DMK. DMK is the party of the MK Stalin. MK Stalin is now the CM of the Tamil Nadu, and this party challenged the CAA that was implemented in India in last night, and it was the challenge by the India Union Muslim League in the Supreme Court of the India, and they said that it is the violation of the right to equality as per the Article 14 in the constitutions. But it was the thing that such a political parties and fundamental rights that was mentioned in the Indian constitutions, that is only for the Indian citizens, not for the foreigners and not for the refugees. And these are the refugees, and it will be decided by the government whose community, whose section, whose person to take the Indian or to bring the Indian citizenship or not. And these are the CAA that was brought by the central government for to interrupt the non-Hindus who came to India to take the citizenship in India, and especially the three Islamic nations, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan. From these nations, if Hindus came to India, Sikh came to India, Parsi, Jain and Christians also, they came to India, then after Indian government would provide the citizenship of these religious persons or religions by the 31st December 2014. And why Muslim is not included? Because these three states are the Islamic states. If in Islamic states the Muslims did not want to live there, then after it is not the headache of the Indian government, and it is not the headache of such a political parties who is doing the vote bank politics here. And then after, the third news came from the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge is not in mood to contest the incoming Lok Sabha election. If he did not to contest the Lok Sabha election this year, then he will be the first Congress president who will not contest the Lok Sabha election. Before this, all the president of the Congress party contest the Lok Sabha election, and he is not in mood. His constituency is the Gulbarga. Gulbarga is a parliamentary constituency in Karnataka. He two times, Mallikarjun Kharge owned two times, 2009 and 2014 owned, but in 2019 he lost the election from the Gulbarga in Karnataka, and then after he want at this time to give his Lok Sabha constituency to his son-in-law Radhakrishnan Dodamani, and what is time it is going on. And the third news came from the PM Modi flags of the 10 Vande Bharat trains in a equal situation. And there are the Vande Bharat 10 trains that is the flags up by the PM Modi. The first train that was from Lucknow to Dehradun, and second train Ahmedabad to Mumbai, and third train New Jalpaiguri to Patna, and fourth train that is the Patna to Lucknow, and fifth is the Khajuraho to the Nizamuddin Delhi, and then after sixth train is going to the Puri to Visakhapatnam, seventh is the Kalaburgi to the Sir Vaisvaraya Terminal Bangalore, and then after Ranchi to Varanasi, the 8th Vande Bharat train that was started from today, and the 9th train that was the from Mysore to the Dr. MGR Central Chennai, and third train from the Secunderabad to the Visakhapatnam. These 10 Vande Bharat train that was the flags up by the PM Modi today early morning. And the fifth news came from the cricket. The Musir Khan, who is the brother of the Sarfaraz Khan, and they have broke the record of the Sachin Tendulkar that was made by the 29 years ago. In the Ranji final, Musir Khan became the youngest batsman who hit the century. Musir Khan at this time only 19 years old, and Sachin Tendulkar had done it in 1994-1995 Ranji session, where he was the only 21 years old. So that's why once again Musir Khan break the record of Sachin Tendulkar. And then after, wicketkeeper batsman of the Indian cricket team, Rishabh Pant, that got the fit certificate from the BCCI to play the IPL this year. And